In this video, I'll guide you through how to update a Vercel deployment. If you've made changes to your code and want those updates to go live, or you need to redeploy a previous version of your project, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to look out for step by step. First, open your browser and go to Vercel's website by typing vercel.com into the address bar and hitting enter. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. You'll land in the Vercel dashboard where you can see your projects and activity. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct team or personal workspace, especially if you have access to multiple organizations. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a navigation menu. Find and click on the item labeled Deployments. This is the section where Vercel lists all the deployments associated with your projects, including production and preview deployments. Clicking Deployments will open a page that shows a chronological list of deployments, usually with the most recent ones at the top. On this deployments page, scroll through the list and locate the specific deployment you want to update or redeploy. Each deployment entry typically shows the project name, the branch, the status, and the time it was created. Take a second to confirm you're choosing the right one, especially if you deploy frequently and have many similar looking entries. When you found the correct deployment, click directly on it to open its detailed view. After you click the deployment, you'll be taken to a page dedicated to that specific deployment. Here you can see logs, preview the deployed site, and review metadata like commit messages. This is a useful place to quickly double check that this is indeed the version you want to work with. For example, you might confirm the commit hash, the branch name, or the time it was deployed. Now look for the redeploy button on this deployment page. Its exact position can vary slightly depending on interface updates, but it's usually near the top right or in a visible action area. Click the redeploy button. When you do this, Vercel will prepare to create a new deployment based on the same settings and code reference used by this deployment. After clicking redeploy, you may see a confirmation dialog or a panel that again includes a redeploy option. This extra step helps prevent accidental redeployments. Review any information shown there to make sure everything looks correct, the project, the branch, and any configuration that's displayed. When you're ready, click redeploy one more time to confirm. Vercel will now start the redeployment process. You'll see the deployment status change to building or queued, and you can watch the logs in real time if you want to monitor progress. Once the build completes successfully, the status will switch to ready and your updated deployment will be live at the associated URL. That's all you need to do to update a Vercel deployment using the dashboard. Go to Vercel, open the deployment section, select your deployment, and confirm the redeploy.